Yo, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to fix this annoying error when you're trying to update or download your gaming services. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so before we start with this video, as you guys can see, only 0.3% of you guys is subscribed to my channel. Let's just go ahead and scroll down and make that red subscribe button gray, and that would really mean a lot to me. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so method number one, what you want to do is you want to open up the registry editor, and you can do that by pressing Windows and X at the same time, then click run and type in regedit and click enter. Then this window will pop up. What you want to do then is you want to go ahead and expand HKey local machine, then expand system, then expand current control set, then you want to expand services, and you want to scroll down until you see gaming services. So scroll down. Okay, so once you found both of these gaming services, what you want to do is you want to right click on them and click delete on both of them. And what you want to do then is close out of this and reboot your PC and follow the next step when you're back. See you guys when I'm done rebooting. Okay, so once you're done rebooting, you want to open up the Microsoft Store and you want to left click on these three dots and click download and updates, then click get updates, and gaming services should start updating. And if it still not works, I have some other methods as well, so let's move on to the next method. Okay, so for the next method, you want to open up PowerShell and run it as administrator. You can do that by pressing Windows and X at the same time once again, and click on PowerShell, Windows PowerShell admin. You want to click on this one, then you want to type in the exact same thing as I am typing right now. Okay, once you type this in, you want to press enter, and then you want to type in this, and once you type this, you want to press enter once again, and it will start downloading these gaming services. So what you want to do then is you want to reboot your PC. Actually wait until it's done downloading and then reboot your PC, and both of these lines will be available in the description, so you can just copy them and paste them. And that was it for this method. Then I have one last method, so see you guys in the next method. Okay, so for the last method, you want to go ahead and go into the description and click on the link that says Windows download software or whatever it's called, but something with Windows download. Or you can just go ahead and open up Google and search for Windows download. Then you want to click on download tool now, and in this method, this is actually a worst case scenario method. If nothing is working, you can try this. You are basically reinstalling your Windows, but you are not losing any files. So just go through this installation process. It can take a while, and accept this. Okay, so when they ask this, you want to click upgrade this PC now and click next. And this can take a while, so I'm not really going to download this since it takes so long. But what you want to do is when they ask you to keep your files, you want to select the files that you want to keep and just go through the installation process, and you should be good to go. And that was basically it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If not, let me know in the comments, and if it was, please consider subscribing and pressing the like button. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.